Okay, so last workout for the week, 2 components, A and B. The first component, A, is an alternating EMOM. Okay, so every minute on the minute. So what that means is we're going to have 3 different exercises in this component, and you'll just alternate the exercises in each of the minutes. So in the first minute, you're going to perform 10 dumbbell walking lunges. Okay, so dumbbells by your side. You'll set a timer and then you'll start doing your lunges. Okay, so that's your first minute. You do 10. Making sure you're driving off the front heel, pushing off the back foot a little bit, sitting yourself up nice and tall. So once you've done the 10 dumbbell walking lunges, you'll rest until the next minute hits. Okay, so you can drop the dumbbells to the side, and then once the second minute comes along, you're then going to perform 5 burpees. Okay, so chest to the floor, and then driving yourself up, a little bit of a jump at the top. An option would be to remove the push-up, and then jump back up to the top. Okay, so 5 in the second minute, and then in the third minute you've got 5 inchworms. Okay, so when that third minute comes along, you're then going to do 5 inchworms. So walking yourself out, keeping your legs as straight as possible. You should feel a nice big stretch through the back of the hamstrings until you get to your plank position, and then just tiptoeing your feet back up and then standing up all the way up into your standing position. So that's 1 rep. Okay, then coming back down, inching yourself out, tiptoeing your feet up to your hands, up to your standing position. So you do 5 there. And then once you come back down to that 4th minute, you'll start back at the walking lunges again. So 4 rounds of the 3 exercises gives you the 12 minutes there. Okay? So component number 2. So we have 3 movements, 2 minutes on, and then 1 minute off, and you'll do 5 rounds. Okay? So that gives you 15 minutes worth of working out in this second component. So in your 2-minute window, you have a 100-meter run, or you could do, let's say, 60 high knees, okay? And then 5 dumbbell ground to overhead. So start your timer for your 2 minutes. You'll head out for your run. Once you come back for your run, you'll pick your dumbbells up. Dumbbells will start on the shoulders. Down by your side. So ground to overhead, touching the dumbbells on the floor, deadlifting down and then driving up to your shoulders, and then pressing them up overhead, okay? So you do 5 reps there. And once you've done your 5 reps, in the remaining time of that 2-minute window, you're going to perform as many air squats as possible until the 2-minute timer runs out, and then you get a minute rest. So with your air squat, chest up nice and tall, knees out, and then standing up nice and tall, locking the hips at the top. Okay? And then you rest for a minute until...
This is not an air squat.
That is not an air squat, correct. So make sure you're getting your hips all the way down, parallel to the ground, standing up nice and tall. Okay? Cool.
Week 1 done.
Week 1 done.